Hi, I'm going to show you how to add all the recipes that are in your planner over to your shopping list. So the first thing you got to do is just make sure you have added the recipes that you want to make for the week in your meal planner. So you got to make sure that the meal planner tab is selected, and then you can rearrange your recipes or add as many recipes to your plan as you want. Once you've done that, head over to your shopping list and then click either this create my shopping list or add from meal plan button. When you click the add from meal plan, it loads all the recipes that are already on your planner, and I can click any of these to add them. I can select the add to do any individual recipes, or select the box on the right hand side to add multiple recipes for that day at one time. Once you've selected the recipes you want, scroll down to the bottom and tap Next. This will add all of the recipes that you've selected to your shopping list at one time. If at any one time you want to remember like what recipe that ingredient came from, you can see that on the right hand side, or you can tap this little arrow in this case that there's multiple recipes that contain the same ingredient item. So in this case, there are two recipes that call for milk for a total of 3 3/4 cups.